Hey everybody, this is Tyson from Blacksite. I wanted to show you our latest project I've been working on here for a few weeks now. It's a watch case. This particular model here holds 5 watches and kind of have the design inspired a little bit by the stealth fighter, the F-117. Tried to incorporate a little bit of the characteristics of that. Uh, the like hatch doors and the windows and that kind of stuff into it here. I'll show you a little bit more here in a second. So here you can see the case is actually like lying on its back right now with this is the front face facing upward. I want to show you this angle because like I was saying, the design characteristics of the stealth fighter, if you look at this angle here, this one and this here, that's the same profile as if you viewed the F-117 from the side, the same shape. So that's just one of the little features that I added in there. We'll turn it around here and let you see a little bit more. Here you can see the back of it and the side. It's constructed entirely out of 0.3 inch thick carbon fiber solid sheets all the way through, whole piece across the back and the front. And the front has that profile that I just showed you. That's actually machined out of a solid piece of 1 inch thick carbon fiber. Let's turn it around here. The ends, I just butted them up so you could still see the thickness of the full sheet, the 0.3 inch thick there. And then come around here and see what I was talking about. This was actually a 20 inch long piece by 7 inches wide, 1 inch thick block of carbon that I machined down to this shape. And then I sliced it down, of course, for the top, and then machined this in afterwards. But I like the design. I think it turned out really well. Pretty unique looking, actually. Here, let me adjust the tripod here and show you the top. So here's the view from the top front. You see what I was saying about incorporating the design again here. These features on the window of the F-117, you can see that shape on there, as well as a lot of the hatches. I think like most of the hatch doors and any kind of doors that open on the aircraft has that kind of jagged edge to it. So I think it looks pretty neat, stands out, and again it shows off the nice pattern of it machined into the full thickness of the overkill of the design on this. Really all polished up, looks pretty nice. The window is actually a 1/4 inch thick tempered glass. So it's pretty durable. You're not going to be breaking that thing too easily. In most cases that you see, you're lucky to get an 1/8 inch thick, just cheap regular glass. But like I said, 1/4 inch thick tempered glass, it's tough. Open that thing up, and yeah, the interior here. Again, this is 0.3 inch thick. This piece here. Machined all that out, cut it out, constructed all the boxes that sit down in there, all out of 0.15 inch thick carbon fiber, bonded each one into place, and then added strips of a 1/4 inch thick carbon fiber to that, so it joins each end and to this top plate and to the rest of the box. So I mean, it is really secure in there, really overkill. So then I also line the interior here with micro suede fiber, so nice and soft. Got the best pillows I could really find. These little things are hard to come by to find a good one. Most of them are pretty cheap foam, not very good at all. And these guys here actually come with little stand, so display your watch regularly, or just add in this little guy here. So yeah, works out pretty good. Let's see here. The front piece here, yeah, I said it was machined out of a 1-inch thick, bonded on there. All of this was actually grooves machined into the sheets of 0.3-inch thick carbon, and then bonded into place, right? So it's locked in really tight, and then also locking that into place is I went through and added in 0.15-inch thick carbon also on the inside, so it covered up that rough machined look, and blended in the pattern, blended into everything else. So it added in really nice aesthetically as well as function. I mean, it's tough. Shined up really nice though, looks great. Nice durable hinges. They're pretty strong. There's no worry there at all. It's nice and solid. See, I'll take this thing off the tripod here and get some close-ups of that pattern, because it is phenomenal. Alright, so here's that pattern. The video makes it look a lot better than still photos, but it just still doesn't compare to what it looks like in person. It's really deep 3D looking. It's really nice. Turned out really awesome. Shined up really well. And there's no coating. This is the same carbon that everybody buys from me in sheets, just polished up really nice. Turned out really well. And every one of these will be unique. The pattern will never be the same on any of these. And we can do these in any kind of custom configuration you want. Feel free to contact me. Let me know what you guys think of this. Any ideas, tips, improvements, anything you'd like to see, and what would make the ultimate watch case for you guys. Let me know, see what we can come up with. Take care, and I'll be adding some more stuff on here soon. I'm working on some more humidors and get postings of that up there, and a bunch of more products coming very soon. We'll hopefully be on here within the next month. Take care.